cracking the code, Capital One minimum deposits, and how to avoid them. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bank accounts, specifically Capital One. Now, let's be honest, opening a new bank account can be a confusing mess. Buried deep in fine print, hidden behind fancy marketing terms, lurk those dreaded minimum deposits. So, the big question is, when it comes to Capital One, what exactly are we looking at? Is there a minimum deposit to open an account, and if so, how can we avoid those sneaky fees? Fear not, fellow finance warriors. We're here to crack the code and shed some light on Capital One's minimum deposit situation. But before we jump in, let's take a quick step back. Why do banks even have minimum deposits? Well, there are a few reasons. For starters, it helps ensure a certain level of account activity. Think of it as a way for the bank to gauge your seriousness about using their services. Minimum deposits also help offset costs associated with opening and maintaining your account. Alright, enough with the background chatter, let's get down to brass tacks. The good news is, Capital One offers a fantastic option for those who hate minimum deposits, the 360 checking and 360 performance savings accounts. That's right, with these accounts, you can open them with no minimum deposit required. Nada. Zip. Zero. This is a huge perk, especially for students, young adults, or anyone just starting their financial journey. Now, before you get too excited and hit that open account button, there are a few things to keep in mind. While there's no minimum deposit to open a 360 checking or savings account, there might be fees associated with certain activities. For instance, using an out-of-network ATM could incur a fee. Always be sure to check the account details and fee schedule before diving in. But wait, there's more. Capital One does offer another type of checking account, the Essential Checking. This account comes with a few more bells and whistles, like free checks and mobile banking, but here's the catch, there is a minimum deposit of $50 to open the account. On top of that, to avoid a monthly service fee, you'll need to either maintain a minimum daily balance of $300 or have at least one direct deposit of $250 or more each month. So, which Capital One account is right for you? If you're all about avoiding minimum deposits and fees, the 360 checking or savings is a clear winner. However, if you value features like free checks and mobile banking, and you can comfortably maintain a $300 minimum balance or have regular direct deposits, then the Essential Checking might be a good fit. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and banking habits. Take some time to research each account, compare features and fees, and choose the one that best aligns with your financial goals. Here are some bonus tips to keep in mind when opening a Capital One account, or any bank account for that matter. Shop around. Don't just settle for the first option. Compare minimum deposits, fees, and interest rates across different banks before making a decision. Read the fine print. Seriously, those little disclaimers can hold some important information. Understanding fees and account requirements will save you headaches down the road. Consider online banking. Many banks offer online account management tools that can help you save money on monthly fees. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks. Until next time, happy banking.